So I'll be showing you how to copy your Pinterest profile link or profile URL. Now for this one, you're going to be using the Pinterest app on your phone. So simply launch the app and of course make sure you're signed into your account, and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner like that. That opens your Pinterest profile page. Tap on the share icon. You can see this one right here. Tap on it. And then from the share to options, look for copy link. Tap on it. And the link is now copied to the clipboard. So now if you want to, you can share this link wherever you want to share it. So let's say you go into messages like this. You can simply tap on the messages and paste the Pinterest link. And that's basically how you can copy and possibly share our Pinterest profile link using the Pinterest app on your phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.